Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog again for today's video with Sos Vlog channel. So I just like to share some mini series again about having fun during winter season. So it's really enjoyable actually. So it's look like you going back for being a kid. So this is my video for today. I share about having fun during winter season with my little one Nikita. So keep watching guys. Thank you. So we are here up in the sliding area. We are going all the way down. But I don't know who could take us video here. But for the meantime, I'm waiting someone and we will ask people to take us some video. Hopefully. I could ask someone because I want to have a souvenir. We're gonna sit with Nikita together in the sliding. Nikita, wait, sit down. We are going together all. Hi! Can we ask people? You take us video when we go down? Mas na? Nikita? Не понимала? Подожди, сади. No, you must stand up and sit with me. Yeah, wait 1 second. I will sit down. Can you help us to go? Let's go. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. The hardest way to go up for this sliding area is because you need to climb on the stairs all the way up. Or you just walk also there up, but it's quite difficult, especially when the snow is very slippery. So it might be you fall. Where is my little one? Nikita! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Молодец. Okay, now it's our turn, Nikita. We go down now. You wait for a while. Sit down. We are going to wait. Okay, guys, you go down. I take a video. Спасибо, Vansan. They're going to slide. They're a very good friend. Nikita, wait for the meantime. Let's see how they're going to do. Woo! Go! Oh my God! The miss up. It's so hard. It's so enjoying, guys. The feelings when you go all the way down. But it's so tired when you go up because I must be climb from there. I'm so tired. Look at my little one. Woo! It's very tiring. Can you imagine when you walk from the stairs all the way up? Because there's no another way to climb. Hello, say hi. Some of them are going to climb there, but hold in the rail or something, I don't know. My little one is waiting for me. One second, Nikki, пожалуйста. Thanks for watching. Bye. Nobody's sliding today. I don't know why. Everybody's tired already. Because we don't have a sliding. We didn't bring. Yet. This is the look. What over there? Stand up. Let's look over there. Let's see Jaja there. Let's go. Let's go. Jaja is working there. Man is no around. Покажи там. Покажи там. Как красиво. Oh my god, my hand is very... My hand is so cold. Oh my gosh. Many are cleaning the snow because it's really